to the bridge that we are just almost heading to and read the story Neighborhood Watch. I normally see this place. It looks more of what the author has written in that story, the Neighborhood Watch, with the street boys trying to create an area for themselves and the haves trying to chase them away and creating more buildings. So I see this wall and I imagine this is where the Neighborhood Watch would be set in the Kenyan setting. Yeah, the dark flyover. Areas, the place where a building came crashing down and killing various people. We are almost near Ngara, and then I'll be in town in a few minutes. We are passing by the KICD, the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, an institution that enhances the development of curriculum in Kenya. I told you about maneuvering, so this one matatu does start to branch just at Ngara Bridge. When a bus cannot do the same, for it can do it. The vehicle is almost empty because currently people are not going to town. They said they are going to the estate where they live, and very few are going to town. So talk about maneuvering. You can see the vehicles maneuvered through the petrol station and go to the road almost near. The roundabout to head to town. But when they do this, I just remember Chamaka, the character in Father's Connections. And I pray that nothing bad happens. So in 2 minutes I'll be in town. can already see the town buildings. Again, another maneuver to the river square at Ngara Jodong Road. That's Ngara Girls High School. I once left here with students in music festival, and I loved the school.